Low maintenance house plants. In our home gardens, there are many plants that doesn't need much fertilizer and much care, even watering the same. So let's see what are the plants that beginner gardener can start up with and also very easy to maintain. Aglaonema plants. Aglaonema plants grow from bulbs and they are in many varieties and they are very beautiful and colorful leaves. So these plants grow from bulbs and you don't need much care for growing. So this is one of the permanent plants that you can have in your garden without any trouble. You can grow them. So these plants also doesn't prefer much fertilizer, so you can with less care you can grow them easily. So there are many varieties of these aglaonema plants. Philodendron plants. They are also beautiful house plants and they grow from bulbs. They also do not need watering every day. You can balance the moisture level. Since these plants also store water in their bulbs, the roots, they also doesn't need daily watering. So this is also a low maintenance plant which you can have in your home garden. Swiss cheese plant. This is a Monstera which grows from nodes and they also are beautiful plant and easy growing plant. You don't need to water them every day, and these plants also a beautiful house plant which you can have indoors and grow without any trouble. Money plants are beautiful variegation plants which grows from stems, and also they are very beautiful indoor plant and a permanent plant. This plant also grows very easily and doesn't need much care, and you can grow them from stems and keep it in the shady area. This is another beautiful house plant to add into your plants collection. Gracina plants. There are many varieties of Dracaena plants grow from stems and also prefer the shade. They also grow really well in the partial sunlight. So this is another plant which you can grow easily and they don't demand for fertilizers too. So this is a beautiful plant to add in your garden. This is another variety of Dracaena which you can grow from cuttings. So add this in your house plants collection because this adds beauty and low maintenance plant. Umbrella plant. One of the beautiful permanent plants which you must have in your house plants collection. Beautiful indoor plant, a permanent plant. This can grow by stems and also beautiful variegation. This plant also a low maintenance plant, very easy to grow. This jade plant is in a beautiful mug and they grow from cuttings. This is another plant which you must add in your house plants collection because they also one of the low maintenance plant. Very beautiful aloe vera plants. They are very useful in our daily skincare and hair care routines also, and this is a beautiful permanent plant in your garden. Once you have this plant you can grow many from the leaves, and also there are small pups, as you can see this one already having a small pup here. So these are beautiful permanent plants and also low maintenance. Lucky bamboo plants grow from stems, and this is another wonderful plant to add to your plants collection because they are also permanent and also low maintenance. These plants also doesn't prefer much fertilizer. They also can grow in the shade, and beginner gardener can easily grow these plants with a single stem in water. So try growing these beautiful plants which are low maintenance and do not prefer a lot of fertilizer and also easy to maintain. So I hope this video is really very useful to you. Thanks for watching.